Hello and welcome. You're here because you're curious about the Bidet Aura by TUSHY. This video will take us through Aura's features, and stay tuned for an overview of install at the end of this video. My name's Monica, and having grown up in Japan, I know a thing or two, or three, or four about bidet excellence, and this bidet is pretty excellent. Aura by TUSHY is the lavish auto-open bidet seat with instant warmth and a digital screen. That's just about as top-notch as you can get. Okay, let's get into this. Buckle your toilet seatbelts, we're swerving through all of Aura's amazing features. Friends, here she is. The Aura experience will serve up the following. With a 180-degree motion sensor, Aura features an auto-open lid and seat, streamlined for a luxurious hands-free welcome, plus a soft-close lid and seat. Have you ever slammed a toilet seat? It's the worst sound ever. I am so thankful for this feature. The next feature is the instant heated seat for year-round comfort. If you've never experienced a heated toilet seat, you're seriously missing out. When I first tried it, my mind was blown. I don't think I could ever go back. Of course, Aura will spray instant heated water from the nozzle. With 4 temperature settings available, you can choose a cooler, refreshing spray, super helpful after taco night, or a soothing warm spray for your most delicate parts. I love that this model also features an oscillating spray with 2 settings. That means you could achieve both a front and back wash for a 180-degree clean. By the way, if you've got a vulva, you're going to love the reach of this oscillating spray. It's like a refreshing, comforting mini shower during your period. Also, we've got my favorite feature, an integrated nightlight. In the toilet bowl, it transforms your nighttime bathroom visits. I no longer have to blind myself with bright overhead lights at 3 a.m. The soft glow makes peeing in the middle of the night a dream. Another favorite feature is the UV nozzle sterilization on the stainless steel nozzle, which also gets an auto rinse with clean water before and after every spray. I love this extra clean assurance because I pride myself on having a clean bathroom and butthole. It's a real comfort to know that Aura is keeping itself as clean as it's keeping me. With the UV light sterilization and self-cleaning nozzle, I don't have to worry about cross-contamination or UTIs. Plus, there's no risk of cross-contamination when drying either. You can dry off hands-free, choosing between our 4 temperature settings available with a built-in air dryer. I didn't think I needed an air dryer with my bidet, but Aura proved me wrong. You've got to try it. And of course, you'll control all these settings to your comfort with the intelligent remote, which comes with a wall mount. Now that you've got the lay of the land, let's cover installation steps. Like all other electric TUSHY models, except for the Ace, which only comes in round, Aura by TUSHY is exclusively available in the elongated toilet shape. Check out TUSHY's toilet shape guide here. When you welcome Aura to your home, you'll note it includes a handy step-by-step installation guide. First, you'll remove your existing toilet seat and thank it for its service. Align and attach your Aura to the toilet bowl. Hook up the Aura to your clean water tap. And finally, plug it into your grounded 3-pronged outlet that's within 3 feet of your toilet. I myself use a grounded extension cord, so if there's no outlet that close in your home, you can contact TUSHY support for extension cord recommendations, or any other install help you may need. If you don't have an outlet nearby or don't like the idea of an extension cord but still want access to warm water, consider any one of TUSHY's non-electric warm water models like TUSHY Oasis. If you're just curious about TUSHY's other e-bidets, consider the TUSHY Ace 2.0 Cloud by TUSHY or Cloud Plus by TUSHY. Check out our other videos and link in the description below. Congrats! Now you've got all the Aura by TUSHY knowledge and are ready to elevate your bathroom experience. Thanks for joining me on this heavenly product walkthrough. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment any questions about TUSHY's e-bidets below. This has been Monica with Aura by TUSHY. Till next time, we'll see you at HelloTushy.com.